Hello everyone! The letter that we're going to learn this week is letter C. Letter C makes the sound k, k, k. Now let's see. C is for camp, for cat, couch, cup, camel, comb, candle. All these words start with letter C. Now it's time to play a game. Ready? Here we go. We have to press on the capital and the small letter C. Are you ready to help me? Let's start. Is this letter C? Yes. This one? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. Let's go down. Is this letter C? No. What about this one? Yes. Not this one. Not this one. Yes, you're right. It's here. Is it this one? No. Yes, this is lowercase c. Now we have to press on the pictures that start with letter C only. Let's start. What pictures start with letter C? Yes. Cat, cake, cow, and car. Now let's check our answers. Yes, we did it. Good job, my friends. Now it's your turn to play and think of more words that start with letter C. See you later, alligators.